Another misconception that people have is spine surgery means big opening in the back. In Marathi they call as chirphad. They ask me chirphad karnar ka. Chirphad has got a very bad connotation. It means that, cutting in a very haphazard way. So anyway, jokes apart, but they feel that all spinal surgeries will require big incisions. With modern technology, we can do spine surgeries in a stitchless manner also, when it is indicated and in a correct patient. Please remember this, because it doesn't mean that all spinal surgeries can be and should be done like that. When it is stretched that much, then the results suffer. And then people blame the technique. Technique is not wrong. The choice in your case may be wrong. So we can do almost stitchless spine surgery by few millimeter incision up to a larger incision, depending on what type of incision is required. But by and large, in old times, where large incisions were required, we take very small incisions. Very small incisions. Sometimes the incisions are just stab incisions. And another thing you have to remember is that how much opening is made has nothing to do with the recovery. Okay, so I tell patients that you should ask me, rather than asking me which method or how big opening, whether I am going to get well soon. That is the right question to ask. When will I be able to walk? When will I be able to join the work? These are the correct questions to ask. Not whether you are going to use laser. Again, this information has come from unknown sources in people's minds. Laser or some other, some funny technologies they have read about. Of course, we use laser, we use radio frequency in endoscopy. We know where to use it, we know how to use it, but it cannot be and should not be used in all the patients. So that is what they have to remember. So spine surgery does not mean big opening. Even if it means big opening in your case, because your case demands it, big opening doesn't mean anything, because what we do inside is more important. Whether the incision is this much or this much, after 1 month you are not even going to realize how much was the incision. What you are going to realize is whether you are able to walk, whether your pain has gone, all this. So it is very important to remember.